blade is trying to escape through my ear! Well, kids, that was a fun comic, wasn't it? I have to go lie down now. Countdown? This entire event comic was just a freaking tie-in to Countdown? You wasted 4 months worth of comics, destroyed Wonder Woman's mythos, all so you could make some stupid tie-in to another horrible comic? Ah! Why doesn't it work? This comic sucks! No, wait! Sucks is too good a word for it! I only wish that somehow I could destroy it utterly! Make it not exist! Make it... Wait, what the... Spider-Side falls to his death despite the fact that he can shapeshift into water. I really hate this comic. Blah, blah, blah. Jackal monologuing, trying to fill in plot holes about Ben thinking he was the clone and doing it badly. Spidey and Gwen Stacy arrive. More dumb dialogue, trying to defuse a bomb. I hate this friggin' comic. Somehow we're on a bridge. I hate this comic. I hate it. I hate it.
Come on now, let's get together.
Go, Web, go! I'm the real Dr. Insider now! This is so deep. I am the walrus, Cuckoo-Cuckoo! Wow, Southland Tales is so deep. I am the goddamn Batman, which is nothing but death and crime and the adamantium rage of a beast, my god. It just raises too much logic in what he says. Of course, don't you know anything about poor literacy, you magnificent bastard? I read your book! And until the investigation is completed, the school's hotline service is suspended. What the hell for? Why did you guys pick an entire committee for this thing if Shanna is the only important member? Was she the only one answering phones? Hell, every implication in this comic is that Miss Wilson is the one who's really in charge. Why can't she appoint someone else to take over in the meantime? Why isn't there a second in command for this sort of thing? Why the hell is this the plan the drug dealers went with? And how did they know it would work? Does this mean the Archie sponsorship is getting pulled? Why would this plan last more than a day or two, since it'll be easy to track down that there's no evidence to support the accusation? Why did it take Black Canary 6 months to reach Gotham and start harassing criminals if she was instantly inspired by Batman's antics in Gotham? Why am I suddenly holding a Weedle instead of the comic? Aren't you giving me fire powers?
I got 20 acres, and you got 43. Now I ain't got a brand new comb by harvester, and I'll give you the key. 'Cause I got a brand new
Iron Man!
Come on now, let's get together. I ain't got 20 acres.
The hell was that?
43. Now I ain't got a
I will win this staring contest! Okay. My happy pills have kicked in. The appropriate response to that line of questions is the Batman Forever clip.
It just raises too many questions.
You tell him, Val Kilmer. You tell him. Al asks the editor if he's proposing that God is evil because he let the dinosaurs die off. No, just the opposite. See, in your story, you can show God planning the whole Jurassic Park so that mankind would someday find crude oil. Period! Jurassic period! Not Park! Jurassic Park was a movie! How is even the editor getting this wrong? Why are they still having this conversation? Just end! 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 Why aren't you giving me fire powers?
Oh, you got 20 acres.
Look at the pretty bunny, look at the pretty bunny. Wow, Southland Tales is so cute.
Oh, you got 20 acres. You got 43. Now I ain't got a brand new combine harvester. I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony.
Why doesn't it work? That was relaxing. Looking at old clips of my insanity is far more entertaining than anything these characters have said so far. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Da 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 da. Come on down, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. We cut to Youngblood headquarters and its raspberry orange sky where Oh God, now I'm blind!
Come on now, let's get together in perfect
It's not even in my hands, but I can still see it! Mommy, I don't want to do comic anymore. Tell me your secret. Boyle, we have to get out of here. We have to. Boyle! You did this! Oh. Why, Liefeld? Why? Why do you do this to me? Is it because you're insulted in the theme song? Not even Gary Brodsky pulls this kind of crap. If you wanted to get to me, you didn't have to hurt so many other people. So after 48 comics and however long this episode has been running, it was all for nothing! Ah! Hey Grover, do you want to review comic books? Why isn't there more? Why isn't there more? I sacrificed my voice for this episode!
No, Star-Lord. I am your father.
You know what? I'm just giving in. Team Pilo all the way. Why aren't you real? Why aren't you real? It's just a piggy bank. Ooh, lavender. Well, you see, Hotspot, your problems are over there, and over there needs to take down rock and roll music. One Face is secretly distributing evil VHS tapes. I know this because I'm not human. I don't know what it is to be human. Why haven't my pants been darkened yet? Our weapons are quiet, precise. I have to shoot these guns to save your life! Punk is nothing but death, and crime, and the rage of a beast. How do you get your thong to stay in place so well? Mine keeps shifting around uncomfortably. Pigs from a gun! Well, put it on. At least they sent beta and not VHS. Has anyone seen the Joker? And don't touch my cape. Ever. Nobody touches my cape.
Only one compartment on his belt. Noob. This game is stupid. I'm not wearing hockey pads. As your therapist, I think your anxiety is based around disappointing your parents.
A deadly bee weapon.
That would really slow me down if it weren't for OnStar. I am the world's greatest detective! Ah!
'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony.
That's the problem with this gag. I have to, if I want to do another take, I have to really refill the bag. There's like 250 of the things. Boy, I sure do have a lot of balls. I actually bought these for like a Dalek cosplay I was going to make. I don't know if I'm still going to do it. I wanted to make it like lightweight and collapsible. They're the wrong size too, and I bought them some ones that are larger. I have 2 sets of balls. It's just milk that joke for all it's worth. It's just like boner. Everybody loves boners. Boner, boner.